Go.
Hi, I am Aubrey Joanna Pascual. I am a BS Computer Science student from UP Diliman. Having this course, I believe that some of my most significant experiences are my being a student assistant in Computer Center and my experience in software engineering. We learn disciplined approaches in creating software systems. In our project, Point of Sale System, my partner and I had a good collaboration by splitting the work into two based on what we're comfortable and capable of doing. What I can bring to the team is my persistence and determination in finishing projects I've started, and more especially, my open-mindedness in collaboration aside from the programming skills I've learned from ComSci. I humbly acknowledge that I have a lot to learn. I want to take this opportunity to learn from the people with best experiences. So I hope I'll be granted a slot for this course. Thank you very much.
Yay!